Hello children, welcome you all in today's class. Before entering into today's class, let us discuss the homework answers of yesterday. H99. For the given figures, we have to draw the mirror half. Okay, just draw the figure as it is. Okay, so here we have 7 divisions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then you have to shade the parts 1, 3, 5 and 7. Then again the mirror half you have to draw. Okay, yeah, you will draw like this and then you have to shade 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, then coming to H100. Okay, so just draw the figure as it is. Okay, like this. Yes or no? Then just join it on the other side, make the mirror image. That's it. Okay, next coming to H101. Okay, same way you will draw a rectangle, then you have a figure like this shape. Okay, then join it on the other side. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is how you will draw the mirror half for any given image. H102. Draw a shape of your own that shows mirror half. Okay, so let me draw the shape of a water bottle. Okay, you can draw anything else. Okay, I am drawing the shape of a water bottle. Okay, so when you divide it like this, this shows mirror half. Okay, H103. Which among the following does not show mirror half? So A and B, we have two figures. So does this figure show mirror half? No. Okay, because here we have a triangle in the bottom part, but in the upper part we don't have it. Okay, and for B it shows mirror half. Okay, so here you will write the solution as A does not show mirror half. That's all. Okay, so kindly check your answers with these answers and make the corrections. In the previous class we have discussed mirror halves, and in today's class we are going to play a mirror game. Okay, so look into the page number 74 from your book, mirror game. Here is a picture of a dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line, then the part of the dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. What will you see like A? Okay, so when you place a mirror on this dotted line, you will get a figure. This will be hidden, right? This right side part will be hidden, and this one is there, no? This side, left part. This will reflect on the mirror. So the mirror image will look like this. So this is the line, and this will be visible on the mirror. So you'll get the mirror image like this. Okay. Now coming to the next one, look at the figure in the white box. On which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror so that you get shape B? Also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on the dotted line. Okay, so here this is the figure, and after keeping the mirror we obtain the mirror image like this. Okay, so they have given two lines, dotted lines. One is like this and the other is horizontal. Okay, so we have to just analyze and find out which line will give this image. Okay, so if we are keeping the mirror here, we won't get this part, right? So can you see this part in this image, this top part? Yes, when you keep the mirror on this vertical line, only then you will obtain this part. Okay, and here this will be hidden. See, there is a gap right here, and you will get this side is there, no? This part you will get that one here. Okay, and we have already find out which line is showing the mirror image. Next thing what we have to find is also tell which part of the picture will be hidden when we keep the mirror on dotted line. So which part is hidden? This side. Now don't consider this horizontal line. Okay, leave it. Now we are going to keep the mirror on this vertical line. So which part will be hidden, whether the right side part or the left side part? The right side part is going to be hidden because this left side part is reflected on the mirror, right? See, can you see the mirror image here? Yeah. Okay, fine. Let us do some problems based on it. Now make a line on the white box to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. So can you see the picture here? Yeah. So this is the picture after keeping the mirror. So we have to draw a line in this picture such that when we keep the mirror on that line, we get this image as the mirror image. Okay, so this will be C and D will be your classwork, and here you have E and F, that will be your homework. You just have to see the image which is given and you have to draw the line in this white color boxes to obtain this image. Okay, now let us start drawing the line, that is the mirror line. Okay, so here you can see the image such that you have a small shape like this here, and then you have a continuous shape here. Okay, so I have to draw the mirror image like this. Just hide and see, the one side you hide it. Okay, so like this. Okay, you hide and see. So what shape did you obtain? You are obtaining the shape which is obtained here. Can you see this? Yeah, so you are going to draw a line such that you look here. So you will draw a line like this. Okay, so when you keep a mirror here, okay, so this will be reflected on the mirror. Okay, now keep your mirror here and see, the same shape will be obtained this side also. So can you see, can you understand what I am saying? Yeah, so you just have to keep the mirror and you will be seeing this same image on the mirror. Okay, this side will be totally hidden. Okay, coming to the next one, this is C107. So look here, this part. Okay, this part is again repeated this side. This is the image of this part. Okay, so the line should be like this, the mirror line should be like this. Okay, so here where to draw the line then? So if you draw like this, this brown color part should be repeated, but we don't have it there. Yes or no? Yeah, so what we have to do is, just look here, we get a shape like this near the neck. Okay, so keep the scale here near the neck part and draw a line using the scale. Okay, so this part will be reflected on the other side and you will get this shape. Do these two remaining sums as your homework. This is H104 and this is H105. Into the next page, 76. Venki has made a red and white shape. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get the shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. Okay, so he has made a drawing like this. Okay, now here we have 5 figures and we are given an example. Here there is a dotted line and they have given the picture which will give the mirror image when mirror is placed on this dotted line. Okay, this right side part will be hidden and this part will be reflected on the mirror, and again we get the same on the right side. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to do the remaining sums, okay, in the same way. Okay, now let me tell you which are the homework and classwork. So this is H106. This will be your homework B, and this D will be your homework H107. Okay, so C107 is the C subdivision. Here we have this mirror image. We have to draw a line here such that when we keep the mirror on that line, we get the reflected part like this. Okay, so take your scale, just hide this part and see. Okay, now hide this one, this part, left side part is hidden. Okay, hidden. Okay, so this part only is remaining. So just we are going to keep the scale here. Okay, and we are going to draw in the same way. Okay, just draw a line here, that's it. Okay, so this is going to be your mirror line. Okay, next coming to C108. Okay, so this is a very different picture, and you can see that here when you see this image, you don't have any extended part like this on this side, only we have the extended part this side. Okay, so you are going to hide this side, left side you are going to hide, and see the right side. So you have to draw the line in the same way here, just like this you are going to draw. Okay, so I think it is clear for you. Okay, so here you will draw the line, and this part will be again reflected, and you will get this one, this as the mirror image. Okay, so just in today's portion we have learned how to draw the mirror lines, and you will be doing the 4 sums which is given as your homework, and do it in your book itself. Try to understand whatever is taught today. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.